Okay, Marley, I'll try and do this the best I can. It's tight, so I can't know if I can get around it good. But this is a look at it all out. This one does have 2 propane tanks. Most tent trailers only have 1, so that's a good thing. Extra large bed up the front. We got the awning up here. There's some storage here. I think I can open it. Oh, it's locked. I'll get it open after. And this one's got the slide out like you had seen. Some storage there underneath of the, that's a dinette inside. Furnace vent there. Outside shower, your water heater, all that stuff. That's a solar panel hookup right there. Let's go inside. We'll have a look. I'll show you around here. So this is the U-shaped dinette. You got storage under there. That does go down to a bed if you need. Here's your kitchen, stove, sink. Excuse me if it's not cleaned out yet because we didn't get a chance to go through the shop with it. That's your furnace down in there. Refrigerator. Storage here. This sofa lays down into a bed as well. More storage over here. That's just the fuse panel, and then underneath there's how you get to the water tank. Little hanging dresser, I guess, closet. And this here is a little portable, there we go, little shower toilet. You can do everything all in one shot. And you got your stereo down in there. So it's got the DVD or CD player with it. Get this sent off to you, and you let me know if you have any questions.